In this video, we will be covering how to manage site contents like categories, banners, pages. These are something that can only be managed by admin from admin panel. Let's visit admin panel and you can manage the event categories from here. These categories are something that are showing on the home page here as well as on the browse event page. And these categories can be selected when you are creating an event. So you can manage the categories from here. Change the banner from the banners. The banner is this one, the home page banner. You can add a banner title, subtitle. You can also add button URL and the button title. The button is this one. This is useful if you are adding some of your featured event banners, or you can also add the event URL of your featured event like this. Suppose this one is the event that you want to highlight on the home page, so you can easily add this image here and you can add the event URL here like this. Or you can also just set the URL like this by excluding the home page URL, and you can name it as open air concert reserved seating like this. Like this, and when you click here you will be redirected to the event page. You can edit the content of the static pages like about us, privacy policy from the admin panel, pages section. You can edit all of those from here. Add new blog post from the blog post page. We hope you found this video informative. In the next video we will be covering admin commission part, like how admin can receive commission on each ticket sale along with admin tax and much more. Stay tuned. Thank you.